Master the art of visual note-taking. The power of flowcharts. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of visual note-taking methods. Specifically, we'll focus on flowcharts, a tool that can revolutionize the way you study English or any other subject. So, grab a notebook and a pen because we're about to get started. Flowcharts are diagrams that represent a process, showing the various steps in that process in a clear and organized manner. Imagine you're trying to learn the rules of English grammar, like the tenses or sentence structures. Instead of jotting down paragraphs of text, you can use a flowchart to break down complex concepts into easily digestible chunks. Makes learning engaging. When learning English, especially the nitty-gritty parts like grammar or vocabulary, things can get a little dull. Flowcharts add a visual element that can make the learning process more engaging and fun. Simplifies complexity. English grammar can sometimes be complex, with various rules and exceptions. Flowcharts can simplify these complexities, making it easier for you to understand and remember the rules. Easy review. Reviewing your notes before a test? A well-organized flowchart can serve as a quick reference guide, helping you recall information faster. Step 1. Identify the topic. The first step in creating a flowchart is to identify the topic you want to focus on. It could be anything from vocabulary to grammar rules. Step 2. Gather your materials. You'll need some paper, markers of different colors, and maybe some sticky notes. Step 3. Start drawing. Begin by writing down the main concept in the center of the paper. From there, draw arrows to the related subtopics, creating a kind of web that visually represents the relationships between different pieces of information. Step 4. Add details. Under each subtopic, you can add additional notes or even smaller flowcharts to break down the information further. Step 5. Review and revise. Take a step back and look at your flowchart. Make sure it's logical, clear, and easy to follow. Revise if necessary. To give you a better idea, let's consider a quick example. Suppose you're trying to understand English tenses. 1. Write English tenses in the center of your paper. 2. Draw arrows to the main types, such as simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. 3. From each of these, draw further arrows to present, past, future. 4. Under each of these, you can add examples or key rules that define each tense. There you have it. How to use flowcharts as a part of your English learning journey. Flowcharts are a powerful tool for breaking down complexity and making your study sessions more effective. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to practice making your own flowcharts for various English topics. See you in the next video.